نحمده ونصلي ونسلم على رسوله الكريم أما بعد. The Qurbani, which is known in Southeast Asia as a slaughter during the month of Dhul Hijjah, the 10th of Dhul Hijjah mainly, and the 2 days after that. It's called Udhiyah in Arabic. So that's the Qurbani which everyone who is the owner of quantum of Nisab should slaughter on that day. A goat, according to Hanafi school, per person, whoever is the owner of the quantum. With regards to the sacrifice, the animal that we slaughter in Hajj, for those people who perform Hajj Qiran or Hajj Tamattu', they have to do one extra slaughter that is called Dam Shukr, to thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, which is wajib part of the compulsory part of Hajj. That is for everyone who is performing Hajj, unless you're doing Ifrad, which is for local people only. So Qiran and Tamattu, they have to do it. But that is different to the Udhiyah that we do on Eid al-Adha. So if someone is able to do both, they should do both. And they should be able to do both, except that during Hajj, most of the people are traveler. Traveler because they are there for less than 14 days in one place. So they would just go to Medina, maybe to Makkah. There's hardly any situation where you'll be in Makkah for 14 days. So you go to Arafat, you go to Muzdalifah, you go to Medina, different places. So that makes you a traveler. They keep you traveling as a traveling individual because you're going to different places, different cities. So as a traveler, it is not wajib upon you to slaughter animal on Eid al-Adha. So as a traveler to Makkah and Medina during Hajj, you are exempted from slaughter on Eid al-Adha date. So that is why it is not generally talked about or suggested. But as a whole, it is an obligation for those who are non-travelers. So if you're there for more than 14 days in one place in Makkah, for example, then you have to do the slaughter. Those who want to do as an optional sacrifice, because that's the only time of the year where you do sacrifice on that day, and on 10th of the Hijjah, this is the most beloved action for non-Hajis, those who are not performing Hajj. For them, this is the best action. So obviously you want to make sure that you get a simpler Qurbani somewhere in a third part of the world, wherever you could do your own house, your own family, where they are, be it UK or Europe or Asian countries, so as to get that reward and not miss out on that. That is then recommended as opposed to wajib. So wajib only if you are not a traveler during Hajj. So I hope it clarifies.